Well, the American Sheep Industry Association is requesting the U.S. Sheep Experiment Station in Du Bois, Idaho conduct a long-term study to research the effects of removing livestock grazing management on rangeland and forest health. ASI is proposing the study be conducted using part of the station's infrastructure along the Idaho and Montana Divide in the Centennial Mountains. Ranchers like John Helly, who utilize both public and private lands for grazing in that area, say the study is a good idea.
Our public lands are critical to the importance of our ranching operations, and they're also critical for wildlife and open space and habitat for other animals, but so are our private lands. All these ranches are interconnected with our private and public lands that we use. So when you disrupt that balance, either by not allowing grazing on the public portion of it, it puts a lot of pressure on private lands, and wildlife and other users of this land in these intermountain valleys don't know how to differentiate anything between those areas.
Helly says it's very important that the industry has the U.S. Sheep Experiment Station and the research that's gone on there for over 100 years to help ranchers make sound management decisions on their public and private lands and that interface between them.
We're always looking for ways that we can do critical, important research on the U.S. Sheep Experiment Station. And whether they're not grazing an area or they're grazing an area, all those things, I think, any time that is happening, it should be critical that we harvest the data and collect it and do the research.
And he hopes others will agree that keeping grazing part of the public land's multiple use equation isn't just important for ranchers, but also sportsmen and local economies.
We have a lot of industry in these small towns that are dependent on fishing and hunting and recreation. It's all super important, and it's all interconnected.
And the American Sheep Industry Association says it's looking forward to working with other stakeholders in the grazing and conservation communities to help support this important research and outcomes.